Welcome. If you've ever found yourself frustrated by PDF files downloading instead of opening directly in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to enable automatic opening of PDFs in your Chrome browser. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or from your Applications menu. Once it's open, look towards the top right corner of the window. Next, click on the three dots. This icon represents the menu, and it's where all the settings and options are located. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings for your browser. Now, look for the Download section. You might need to scroll down a bit or use the search bar at the top of the settings page to find it quickly. Once you locate it, click on it to access Download settings. Here comes the crucial step. Enable automatically open PDFs. You'll see an option that says Open PDF files in Chrome. Make sure this option is selected. By enabling this setting, any PDF you click on will open directly in your browser instead of downloading to your computer first. Once you've made this change, there's no need to save anything manually. Chrome automatically saves your preferences as you make adjustments. Finally, close the Settings tab and return to browsing. The next time you click a link to a PDF file, it should open right up in Chrome without any hassle. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've set up your Chrome browser to automatically open PDFs, making your browsing experience smoother and more efficient. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might also benefit from these tips. Happy browsing!